How to install Credit Karma app on your Android phone. I'm going to guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to your Play Store. After you're in the store, head over to the search bar. Tap on the search bar and type in Credit Karma and search for it. In the search results, you'll see the Credit Karma app appear. It'll have this kind of logo over here. Once you're in the app space, you'll see the install button. In order to download this app on your phone, you need to tap on this install button. Now the download process has started. It might take few moments depending on your internet speed. Once the download is completed, you'll see this kind of option. This app has been successfully installed. You'll see this open button. You can directly launch the app from here, so tap on open. You can now set up your account and start using this app. So that's how you can easily install Credit Karma app on your Android phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.